So kung content creator din kayo and naghahanap kayo ng affordable na camera, and usually yung workflow nyo is umiikot sa PC, laptop, marerecommend ko sa inyo itong eMeet C60E 4K dual camera. Isa itong USB webcam, and yung video na pinapanood nyo right now was taken using this camera. So as you can see, kaya niya mag-focus kapag nilapit mo yung mga objects. Recommended to for live streaming, online classes, and also kapag nagba-product showcase kayo kasi may focus talaga siya. And mabilis to, guys. Ganyan siya kabilis mag-focus, oh. Kitang-kita kahit yung maliliit na details ng product. So, maganda dito is meron na rin siya kasamang cover and meron na rin siya kasamang tripod. Meron din siya included na remote control para makontrol natin yung brightness, yung exposure, yung focus, yung zoom, everything without using an application. Pwede na natin kontrolin gamit itong remote. So, ayun lang naman. And if you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.